Hello, today I want to take a video for teach you how to testing the crimping diameter and the crimping height. Because you know, crimping like this one is the height or aerosol. That's very important. So in case of some leakage, we must check the crimping. Okay, you can check this crimping gauge. How to gauge? One is for diameter, one is for the depth. And this one is for calibration. This is for the tools. So adjust here. This one adjust here, and also adjust here.
Yes.
Okay. 好，关了。Check this picture. For crimping dips, 5.2 is better. 5.0, 5.2 is better. Crimping diameter, 27.1, 27.3. So it depends on your supplier. I'm not sure because every valve supplier and can supplier is different. I need to change. So when we testing, we must choose the maximum one as your date. Sometimes with tin can with tin valve, tin can with aluminum valve, aluminum can with aluminum valve, and aluminum can with tin valve, and back-on valve something is very special. So I testing one by one. Check the gauge. The big one, the big ring is 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. The inside is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually it's nearly 5. Let me show you. Okay, check this one. Okay, this key. You can check the small ring inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, more than 5. So 5.15 maybe. Okay, actually for testing we give the 4 position like this one, then change here 5.15, 5.16, 5.1. So this crimping is okay. Crimping dips is okay. Check this one. Okay, this is tin bottle, tin valve. Now is 5.22. Okay, for this one, 5.3. We told you 5. Okay, maximum 5.3, minimum 5.0. So this one in this range means okay. Okay, same 5.2. I use this one 5.1, 5.13. Also okay. 5.13. For crimping, when you use this gauge, you must check our this ring. Calibration 4.7. Okay, you can check between 4 and 5. So 4.7. So now is accuracy. Now is okay. Oh, 停了。 It's crimping. $27.7.
Yes.
You can check. Still 26, 27, 28. So between 27 and 28. 27.65. Not okay. 27 point, not okay. Okay, for this one, 27.225. Okay, this one is okay.
Yes.
27.2. 27.15. Okay, it's okay. So something I testing some broken can. This one is damaged. Of course, it's damaged. You just look at the video. It's damaged. This one also crimping too much. Let me see what happened. When this damaged can, I put it inside. It go to the 5.7, nearly 6. So this gauge stop.
Yes.
Not moving, so it's damaged. So this can you must slew. It's crazy.
Yes.
This one same. Damage.